at you.
Look at Kenna.
Happy to be me.
Let's show Abby.
Abby.
Where's the Hello everybody. Say hi.
Downstairs. Alright. Can I take your coat?
$2.40. Huh? $2.40. For what?
What? They cannot clear.
What?
This was 2 pizzas that Abby ate.
$240.
Ken.
Hi.
Temporary.
Hey, Ken, you want to tell Katie something? What do you tell Katie? Kenna, what do you tell Katie?
He would let you spray the pepper spray in his mouth for $250.
Say it. Can you say it?
No.
Say it. Say, I'm gonna be a big sister.
Oh,
You
fine?
are? Wow. She's like, I'm more concerned about going downstairs right now.
I just want to play with Ellie.
We just found out today.
Yeah.